Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to convert a rectangle into a square of the same area by using geometrical construction. Let's start. If ABCD is our rectangle, the first step is to extend AD as shown. Next, drop the width DC on the extended line to find point E. Bisect AE into 2 and mark off its midpoint as M. Using center M, draw a semicircle as shown with MA as the radius. Then extend DC to intersect the semicircle at F. Line DF is the length of the side of a square that has the same area as rectangle ABCD. Construct the square. The red rectangle and the green square have the same area. If you are wondering about the mathematical basis behind this geometrical construction, here it is. You do not need to learn this to perform the construction, but if you love maths, you may find it interesting. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your drawing.